Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review for you the new Makeup Revolution concealers. There has been so much buzz about these and I picked up 4 shades. I actually did a community poll in my channel section, whatever, and I asked which new concealer do you want to see, because there are several out there right now, drugstore and high-end, and this was pretty much unanimous, you know. So I bought C1, C2, C3, C4, and everyone's saying this is the Shape Tape dupe. This is going to be their new Shape Tape. That's great. I don't know if that's, I mean, we'll see. So I saw this was available both on the Ulta website. It might be available in Ulta stores soon or now somewhere, not in any of my stores that I saw. And it's on the Makeup Revolution website. So what's funny about that, which I think is kind of cool, is that it's $7 on Ulta.com and it's $7 and a penny on Makeup Revolution. That could be the difference between $1 and a pound. I don't know. But if you order $35, $40 worth of Makeup Revolution, you get free shipping. So not a bad deal. And it did not take that long to come from the UK, maybe 10 days, maybe a little longer, you know. So what it says on here for Ulta is that there are 18 shades. So just a few more than Tarte. Well played, Makeup Revolution. And it looks like they're darker shades. It's like they added 3 extra darker shades. Unfortunately though, right now, all of my shades, let's see here. The shades I'm gonna review for you are all sold out. Damn, really? Yeah. Just my luck. But anyway, who cares? We're gonna do it anyway. Yeah, alrighty, so if you are a fan of Shape Tape, great. I am. I think Shape Tape is a remarkable concealer. Friends of mine that aren't really into makeup just found Shape Tape and are posting on Facebook like, what is this miracle product and why have I not used it sooner? It's like the #1 concealer in the world or something right now, or maybe just in the US, I don't know. Alrighty, let me swatch these for you because they actually have they're very similar. They're very similar. So 18 shades for concealer is a huge selection. And yes, there are a lot of shades for light skin, but there is a lot of shades, I think, for tan, dark, and medium. And concealer is a shade range. It's not an exact match like foundation. So, you know, yeah, but I thought I would show you. So C1, which I bought 2 of these on Ulta and 2 of these on Makeup Revolution. And I am so glad. Basically C4 is my shade, I think. So this is C1 and that is light, but it looks fine. Like if I had this and only this, I would use it. C2, I'm gonna give these first 2 to my daughter but you can see a little bit of, oh God, not so much on camera as you can in real life, but this one is almost more pinky, like, I'm kidding. C3 looks, oh my God, just kind of like C2. But I think as they warm up, you can see which ones. There's definitely a description on each of them in terms of what has more warm or neutral undertones. And then there's C4. And they all start with C. It's not like a MAC thing where it's like, you know, W or N or C. They're all C as far as I can tell. So this is C4 and still not a lot of difference. I mean, not a lot of difference, really. Sorry about this giant patch of foundation. This is definitely more pink. I might use C3. Okay, so opaque, lots of coverage. Let's see how it wears. I have played around with this a little bit, so it's not quite a first impression. It's not quite like this oh my gosh, all day wear test, but it's also kind of not a, oh look, this is my favorite. Hang on, before I do one more thing, I want to see what C1 looks next to C4. Okay, so this is C1 and this is C4. So that's actually a pretty good distinction, and even though as you do it on your arm you're kind of going, they're kind of the same, but they're not. C3 definitely has maybe the most paint. Golly, I'm horrible at this. I'm so sorry. I have all my makeup on except concealer. So look how light that looks. I'm gonna do C4 on this side. And I'm kind of doing it the YouTuber, let's draw it on kind of way. Let's cake it on like we're drag queens. Okay, I mean, like we're YouTubers. See, doesn't that match better? It looks so different on my face than it does on my arm. But this is good. This way you can be like, okay, I get now what's going on here. And you might have thought, I want to order this, I just don't know what. And as much as I might be confusing you, hopefully maybe I'm giving you some clarity. Also, can I just say that everyone is reviewing this. So I had a little bit of anxiety, just kind of like resistance to doing this review at all, because I always think, well, so many other people are doing it. I have to respect the fact that you guys are my audience, and I can continue to think about other YouTubers and hold myself back, or I can just do what I want to do and listen to you guys and know that there are things that even though other YouTubers have reviewed, you want to see my opinion. So that's why I'm doing this. Maybe some of you will go, oh my God, why is she reviewing this? Everybody and their mom is reviewing it. And then I'm going to say, because people ask me to. Also, I feel like there's kind of this hive mind, is that the right word? Where everyone gets kind of caught up and stuff, and I'm sort of the one going, hi. Okay, can we see a difference between the two? C4 and C3. So this is C3, this is C4, and I think, oh God, they're the same. So if you want to really make an emphasis on the highlighting, you know, a very light area under your eye, or use contour, you know, you want to do the shades gradient, then you have choices. I mean, most of the time we have like light, medium, and dark in terms of concealer, or fair, light, medium, and that's it. So lots of choices. Sometimes too many choices are confounding. And I am using a beauty blender that's dampened, and I'm just kind of pushing it in there. The Tarte Shape Tape always did a really good job of concealing for me, but it always creased. So, and I think that was the case regardless of if I set it. There's a new Makeup Revolution. It's called Lace Baking Powder. And this was sold out a lot on the Ulta website, but it was totally in stock on the Makeup Revolution website. It's a very nice kind of a cameo shade powder. It's supposed to be, you know, really great for baking, ultra thin, all that good stuff. I am actually not going to bake it. I am going to fluff it. Fluff it. Oh, there's a garbage truck. All right, well, that's good stuff. Honestly, I think I might be more. That's a pretty good finish, folks. Let me give you close up. I like it. A couple of you asked if I was going to do the full face foundation challenge. I didn't even know that was a thing. I don't know. Sometimes I'm kind of into those, and sometimes I'm like, why am I doing this? So if you want to see me do the full face foundation challenge, go for it. And I actually think I want to do the full face of concealer challenge. I literally, when I bought these and I was swatching them, I'm like, you know what? I could just do my entire face instead of foundation in these concealers. Why not? Right? Okay. Alrighty, let's give a little, I'm kind of Makeup Revolution today. I'm going to do a little bit of this, kind of setting highlight powder here. Warm that up a bit. I actually have Milani or some using my Beauty Big Bang brush. I'm gonna drag my brush along here. You guys, they were so cute. They saw the video and they're like, we're sending you more things. So I will be doing more reviews on those products. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Hi, Milani. I like you. Okay. Oh, I got the little nose thing going. Oh, well. Some people hate that. I've actually literally had comments. I want to wipe that highlighter off your nose. It's like, what are you, my mother? Get your hands away from my face. Okay, guys, here, oh, no, I'm not done. Okay, I'll put some mascara on my lower lash line and a little bit of shadow to kind of round it out. And I am really enjoying this concealer, which I sort of thought I would. I saw Alyssa Ashley do her review and I was like, oh, if she likes it, it's good stuff. Well, there you have it, folks. It is the new Makeup Revolution concealer, and they're totally trolling Tarte, but that's okay. This is called Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. So you could use it for full face of contour. You could just get all the shades and draw them around and then buff them out, and you would be so covered. And I enjoy it. And then of course, I actually really like this stuff. Oh my God. Let's see here. It has talc. It's got like 4 ingredients, whatever. I will list everything below. Sorry if things are sold out. It is because everyone's talking about it. Now I'm only contributing to that. I'm very sorry. But you will find it soon enough, I promise. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you think you want to stick around and see more videos from me, click that subscribe button. And if you would be so kind to give me a thumbs up on this video, I would really appreciate it in the whole YouTube algorithm. And that's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.